everyone, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. Today I am here with my little friend Roxy. It's the fall season and we like baking. Today we're going to make her favorite treats and it's only 3 ingredients. So the 3 ingredients are peanut butter, 1 banana, and 1.5 cups of oats. To begin, we're going to use 1/2 cup of peanut butter and the whole banana. We're going to put it in a bowl. And we're gonna mix it with the 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Okay, now that we've mixed this peanut butter and the banana, we're gonna go and blend the 1.5 cups of oats. When you're blending it, blend until it's a nice fine powder, until the oats have become a very nice fine powder. Good. Have been blended into a nice fine powder, we're going to pour them into our banana and peanut butter mix. And we're going to mix it together. Okay, so now we've mixed the oat powder we made with the peanut butter and the banana. Now it's going to be easier to use our hands and mix the dog biscuit dough. Bit of the oat powder here on the surface because we're going to start rolling our cookie dough. Have come out of the oven now, and I'm sure Roxy is very excited to try them, but she has to wait because they're really hot. I am putting them on this little tray so that they can cool down. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. Today I am here with